Look at all that frost. Yuck. We definitely have winter coming. And it's really cold out here. We're gonna have a windstorm tonight. It's been talked about on the weather things for 2 days, so that's not gonna be a lot of fun. Said it could down trees, put out power. That'll be a lot of fun. And Don just left for work. He had Dan's truck here, and he just left. This is my last day off. I open tomorrow, so I have to go to bed at a decent hour.
Stop!
Yeah, right.
Yeah, right.
How was your day?
It was a day.
You got to come home early.
Yeah.
Yeah, 'cause Dan put his back out yesterday.
Yep.
And then Becky and Troy came over, and before that, Dan came in and visited for a while. And so we had company today.
Yeah.
And as you can see, the dishes are done because I spent hours doing them. And I'm making dinner now, which is spaghetti. And I will be doing the dishes right after, before I go to bed, because I'm tired of the dishes building up. And I open tomorrow, so I don't want to go to bed any later than 9. I only work the one day, so I can come home and take a nap. But I won't stay up till 9 if I don't have to.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah? We have the blueberry candle going.
Yeah, one of your wicks went out.
Yeah, that happens every time I light it. One of them goes out, and then the next one goes out, and the next one goes out. Stop making that noise.
What noise?
That noise.
You're not normal.
Neither are you. So I'm still waiting for the 10-foot lead to come for Tiger. And I'm waiting for the shirt from Travis Clark. And I ordered some Christmas cards, some custom Christmas cards. I'm waiting for those. And I think that's all I have left that's coming. There was no mail today though, so that didn't help anything.
No news is good news.
Not when you're expecting things that you bought. I want my shit.
When I get shit in the mail, you usually know what it is?
What?
Garbage or bills.
You need to order
Never
stuff.
nothing any good like a big old fat paycheck. It's never nothing like that.
What, you got your barrel stove kit in the mail?
Yeah, but that fucking costed money.
Yeah, but it's always fun when you buy stuff.
No, because it takes money.
When you buy cool stuff that you want.
Cool stuff?
Yeah, cool stuff that you want.
I didn't even realize buying a barrel stove kit was cool stuff.
Well, yeah, because you get to have a new wood stove that'll work better, and you're all excited about it. You just said like an hour ago, oh, I can't wait to have the new wood stove.
No, because then you can get rid of that piece of garbage.
Yeah. That piece of garbage?
Yeah, that piece of garbage.
Yeah.
That's all it's worth is scrap tin.
Yeah.
Might take the steel plating off it, the big flat pieces.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know I can find a use for that.
Yep.
Then take the rest of the scrap.
Huh.
It's not worth anything anymore.
Yeah.
Done for.
Playing with your rock.
Yep. Playing with pudding stone.
Yeah. You collect rocks.
Only the pink and blue pudding stones.
Yeah.
That's a pink pudding stone.
Yep. After everybody left, we went to Tom's Market and bought mushrooms for the spaghetti and cereal and milk and mozzarella cheese for the spaghetti, and Don bought 2 turkeys. What else did we... Oh, I got an energy drink and a little thing of crackers because I was hungry.
Yeah, but I wasn't going to pass the turkey up, not for 89 cents a pound.
Yeah, it was on sale.
Yeah.
So now we're all set for the holidays. We have ham, we have turkey, we have duck.
Yep, duck.
We have everything we need for all the way till Easter.
Well, at least the meat products anyway.
Yeah.
Gotta start buying the other odd and end stuff for
stuffing, squash, cranberry sauce, unless we still have some.
Well, as far as I know, we got one can of cranberry sauce. I don't know if it's the gelled or if it's the whole.
Well, that's all we need because I'm not a giant fan of it. I only like it at holidays and only a little bit. We don't need a whole bunch of that shit.
But we need to start gradually buying the other fixings for the holidays to go along with the dairy, though.
Yeah, potatoes, and you want pumpkin pie on Thanksgiving?
If it was out of the stuff to make it, I could.
Well, you can also buy them.
Yeah. And you gotta cook them for hours on end.
Yeah. And I rode the bike earlier. I'm doing really good on that. And I can tell my clothes are getting a little looser. I probably don't look any different yet, but we'll see. My scale is a piece of shit. Every time I get on it, it gives me a totally different number. And yes, I changed the batteries in it, so that's not the problem. I guess it just sucks, and it kind of pisses me off because I only bought it last year, brand new. But whatever. I'll just have to watch how my clothes fit. But we'll see you when we're eating, because I'm working on it. And here we go again. Here's dinner again. It has fresh mushrooms in it, and turkey burger and onions. Some of the tomatoes Don canned, and spaghetti sauce, and I bought cheese to put over it. And I love fresh mushrooms, so that'll be really good. I hope you like it.
We'll find out.
Yeah, you decided to take your tongue ring out again because of spaghetti. It's right there.
Mayonnaise?
Yeah?
Yeah.
Let me know if it's good. I know I think it's good, but...
Oh, you know, you already...
Because I've had my own spaghetti a million times.
Like spaghetti to me.
Well, good then. And I have to do the dishes before bed and get the laundry out, and then I'll be able to go to bed. I already have the coffee maker all set up, so at 3 in the morning all I have to do is hit the button and then get in the shower, so I won't have to worry about that. But we're going to go ahead and say goodnight, and we hope that you enjoyed the video, and you like, subscribe, comment, share, and you're having a good night. Tell a friend about us. Maybe we can spread a little.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Yeah.
At
7:40.
Yeah. PM.
AM.
PM.
AM.
Alright, bye.
Good morning.
I knew you were going to say it.